What is a book revealed a complex hidden mathematical code so precise it defied human explanation. 1400 years before the invention of computers. The amazing fact the word day is mentioned 365 times in the Quran. The word month is mentioned 12 times. The words sea and land appear in a stunning ratio 32 times for sea and 13 times for land. This given a ratio of 71.1% sea to 28.9% land, which is scientifically the exact ratio of water to land on Earth's surface. The intricate numerical balance found throughout the text is considered by many to be a divine signature impossible to have been orchestrated by an unlettered man in the 7th century. Fact number 2, a verse that validated modern embryology. Could a desert dweller in the 7th century have described the stages of human embryonic development with shocking, scientifically verified accuracy? In Surah Al-Mu'minun 23, Nisbat 12:14, the Quran describes human creation in stages. We created man from an extract of clay. We created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him as a drop in a place of settlement firmly fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaka, leech-like clot. Then we made the alka into a mudghah, chewed-like lump. Then we made out of that lump bones and claws, the bones with flesh. Modern embryology confirmed these stages exactly. The term alga perfectly describes the embryo's appearance and its attachment to the uterine wall in the early stages, a fact only observable with advanced microscopes. The fact the Big Bang described in a single verse. Countries before Hubble and modern telescope, a single verse described the origin of the universe in a way that would make a physicist past. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30 states, have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were joined in tightly and we separated them. This is a stunning, accurate description of the prevailing scientific theory for the origin of the universe, the Big Bang. The verse points to a singular connected origin point for all creation before a vast expansion and separation, a concept completely foreign to the science of 7th century Arabia. Fact 4. Imagine an author challenging all of humanity to imitate his work, and that challenge remains unmet for over 1400 years. The amazing fact the Quran issues a unique and enduring challenges multiple times, then produce a chapter like it and call upon your witness besides Allah if you should be truthful. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:23. The challenge was to produce just 10 verses, then even just one verse of similar eloquence, wisdom, and beauty. The challenge was to produce just 10 verses, then even just one verse of similar eloquence, wisdom, and beauty, despite the Arabs of the time being masters of poetry and languages. The dispute countless attempts throughout history. No one has ever successfully met these challenges. This phenomena is known as the ijaz or inimitability of the Quran. Fact 5. A verse that protects itself from change. What if a text contained its own built-in verification system to guarantee it would never be altered? The amazing fact: the Quran is the only religious scripture that has been preserved in its original language and text without a single change for over 14 centuries. A key reason for this is the tradition of memorization hifz, but the Quran itself promotes this in powerful verse. Surah Al-Hijr 15:9. If like this video, please share, like, subscribe.